Hi, my name is Vera, and I'm happy to see you here at Repeti.io. I've been working as an English teacher for almost 10 years now, and I love my job. I'd be delighted to see you as one of my students. So, if you are interested in preparing for exams like OGE, UGE, and Cambridge exams, I can teach you how to shape your knowledge in order to meet the criteria. I'll show you the strategies, what examiners are looking for, and other tips for succeed. Students of any level can be admitted. Mostly I teach online using simple and comfortable interactive tools. Besides, you are always welcome to come to my place. If you study online, I can provide you with all the necessary materials. All the books are selected according to students' level and needs. I'm looking forward to seeing you at my lessons. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.